Imagine your favorite dress or top. What's the first thing you notice? The neckline. Necklines aren't just decorative, they play a pivotal role in how a garment should look and feel. Whether it's a classic round neckline, a die-in V-neck, or an elegant boat neck, each choice transforms the overall style. They can enhance your best features and downplay any areas you are less confident about. Think about how a scoop neckline elongates the neck, or how a sweetheart neckline adds a touch of romance. Necklines set the tone for your outfit. So here is how to draft and cut 5 different trendy necklines. For the purpose of this video, I cut a simple bodice pattern with a simple 3x3 neckline. This pattern is a bit scaled down. Open it up, you'll see the neckline is very curved. We need 5 copies, so I use this pattern to cut them out. 5. Let's start. So our first neckline is the Queen Anne neckline. This neckline is 3 inches wide and 7 inches deep. So we mark from this point. We mark 7 from this point. Use a ruler to box it out. Next up, go up by approximately 3 inches on this line and mark a point. You can extend it using the midpoint value of this shoulder slant or something close to it. Bring in your French curve and place it like this and draw a nice curve that connects these points. And then just use a ruler here. That's it, let's cut it out. This is a Queen Anne neckline. Next, let's do the sweetheart neckline. It's usually 3 inches or 4 inches wide and 7 inches deep. This is like a standard. So box your points out. The difference between the Queen Anne and sweetheart necklines is that the sweetheart neckline has no extension here. The curve is within the box. So now mark 3 inches here. Connect like you see me doing with a French curve and a ruler. Cut it out. That's it, a sweetheart neckline. Next up, we're gonna draft an asymmetric neckline. Mark half of an inch here and mark 2 inches from this point down. Here, we only just go down about, let's do 6 inches. Connect the points using a hip curve and a ruler like this. The logic behind this neckline is that you should not have one part completely alike with the other when folded into 2. Cut it out. This is an asymmetric neckline. Next up, we have the one shoulder or monostrap neckline. Mark half of an inch. Here, come down very close to this armhole depth and mark a point, or just use the armhole depth. Bring in your curves to connect like this. Cut it out. This is a monostrap neckline. Our last neckline is the wrap neckline. First, bring in your first draft and trace your chest line. Just trace it out like this. This part is ½ inch more wide. And from the waistline, go up by 2 to 3 inches and mark a point. Place your curves like this and connect the points. This is a wrap neckline. You will be needing 2 of these actually.